Greetings and regards again to everyone from the Jewelry Journey channel. Welcome all of you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some important information. What is it? In case you're wondering, this video is for you, especially if you see such different designs or exemplary designs made using yarn or designs like the one in this photo. And if you are wondering how to make similar bracelets, this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about what kind of materials you need when designing and making such bracelets. Here I will talk about the products that you basically need. First of all, we need a tape measure. We will use it for measuring our designs. Of course, if you do not have a tape measure at home, you can solve this problem by using a ruler. The second important tool we will use is scissors. We will use it for cutting operations in our designs. These were our important basic tools. Besides these, our main material is the yarn material called floss rope. This thread is also called parachutist rope. This thread is a hard, strong thread. It is a yarn that does not break easily as well. There are many different color options for this yarn. For example, we have this color or a color like red. The most important thing in choosing this rope is the size features. These threads are classified according to their thickness, and the thickness of the thread is the most important feature that affects our designs. The standard thickness for this rope is a minimum thickness level of 0.8 millimeters. There are different thickness options as 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and 5 millimeter as options. There are also different length options for the ropes. The standard length for these ropes starts from a minimum of 2 meters. There are different length options as 3 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, and 100 meters. The important thing for us is to choose the most suitable thread for our design. When we choose the most suitable thread thickness for our designs, we complete the first step. After choosing the appropriate thickness, the length should be calculated. The most accurate length should be cut. In addition, there is a different type of thread. These types of threads are elastic. It has the feature of stretching. You can make different designs with flexible ropes using different beads. The last materials we use in our designs other than these pieces are beads, gold, and silver sticker designs. They are also the chains, rings, and hooks needed to create the connections in the designs we make. Finally, I can show you the beads we use in our designs, gold and silver designs that I have as examples. You can use the bead types suitable for your own designs. From now on, you have learned the materials and tools you need to make bracelets and jewelry. If you have plans to design jewelry or want to do it as a hobby, you're ready. All you need is to get started. In addition, I would like to say that we take orders for all the materials we share in the video. If you wish, we can send it to your address. You can contact us for this. That's all I will show in this video. I hope it has been a useful content for you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. You can also leave your comments below. Thank you for watching me. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.